Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nik ATHIRAH AZZAHRA binti Nik AMMAR FANSURI. My matric number is B07171044. So today I will introduce you about the introduction. As for conventional automotive internal combustion engine, variable valve timing (VVT) was first patented by Fiat in the late 1960 series. The array of VVT variation from manufacturers has generated many different VVT system names or acronyms such as VTEC and VVTI. Engine without VVT have non-adjustable camshaft, therefore the valve lift, duration and timing are fixed. Variable valve timing is used to aid performance, fuel economy and lower emission by enabling the optimization of engine performance under different load and operation. At low engine speed, the valve timing can be advanced to help throttle response and engine torque, which is under load. And lastly, the valve timing can be retarded to help reduce exhaust emission and increase power at the higher RPM, where valve opening times are greater. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is ILIYA bin IDRIS. My matric number is B0717106667 and today I will explain about the history of the VVT, which is the variable valve timing. It was invented in the 19th century and it came to in the steam engines. It was used on early steam locomotive. Stephenson valve gear assist variable cut-off. That is improvement to the time at which the steam supply to the cylinder during the power stroke is shut off. However, a practical automobile variable valve timing system that include variable lift was patented by a motorcar company which is Fiat. Then it was the first VVT system. Was implemented with the debut of 1980 Alfa Romeo Spider. Thus, due to the matters, many manufacturers followed suit in the 80s and 90s by introducing their own VVT system engine. So due to the current, this day many fuel economy is important. So today car was implement a VVT system on their engine. So that's all for me. Continue with my next friend. Thank you.
Hi, my name is KOVINTHAN ALAGAN. Today I will present about the theory of operation regarding the Audi VVT engine. The Audi VVT system, one of the major innovation of the brand with the 4 rings, regulates the lift of the valve in 2 stages depending on load and engine speed. The system thus increases the torque while also reducing the fuel consumption. Actually, there's 2 versions of VVT system that used in Audi. One is in V6 engine, another one is 2.0 TFSI engine. In V6 engine, it acts on the intake valve, largely regulating the amount of intake air, meanwhile in 2.0 TFSI, it reduces flushing losses in the combustion chamber and also ensure that the optimal flow of the exhaust gas is directed to the turbocharge. Both versions have a simple, compact and lightweight design, making use of so-called cam pieces, sliding electromagnetic sleeve on the camshaft. Thank you.
My name is MALIK and I will explain more on the system diagram of the Audi VVT system, which is a cam loop swapping type. The 2 cams are mounted on a single camshaft which acts on the roller cam follower depending on the longitudinal position of cam pins. The entire actuation process is controlled by a pair of metal pins incorporated at the valve covers and powered by a lightning-fast electromagnetic actuators. The metal pins are responsible for each cam element where there is a spiral groove machine into the camshaft. When the metal pins are lower, it engages spiral groove on the camshaft and pushes the cam piece in the longitudinal direction. The spring-load latch will lock the cam piece in the new position. In this way, the operating cams are rechanged from one set to another. To change to another cam, the metal pin press against the reverse spiral groove and move the cam loop piece back to the original position. The cam piece is locked by the spring-loaded latch again. The change from one cam set to the next takes one combustion cycle or 2 engine revolution.
Hi, my name is Muhammad HAFIFI bin KAMARUDDIN from 4 BMMA section 1-2, and my metric number is B0717106626. To continue our presentation, I want to discuss the advantage and disadvantage of the Audi VVT engine. As we can see in the slide, many advantages that get better than disadvantage. The Audi VVT engine can reduce pumping losses, smoother idle, and low RPM running of the engine. Besides, the Audi VVT engine also has better torque and increased fuel economy. Then, it also can reduce the emission of nitric oxide (NOx), controlling the cylinder temperature by valve overlap, better breathing of engine, and assist the seasoning process. Lastly, the advantage of the Audi VVT engine has a better performance. However, the Audi VVT engine has their disadvantage. From what we get, the Audi VVT engine is a very higher cost engine. Furthermore, it has more complex mechanism and lower overall engine life because of increases wear. So, this is the disadvantage of the Audi VVT engine. To me, the Audi VVT engine is good for use in the vehicle to perform more quality and safety in the system engine life. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Young. Now I will present the opinion on technology about the Audi VVT. Audi wearable war trend of named by Audi lift system ABS is to use different cam loop at different operating point. Each intake valve can be attracted by a large and small cam. ABS on the inlet side also allow a short intake time at partial load and a longer time at higher load. ABS technology achieves its greatest potential fuel saving at a constant speed in the mid-load range. The system offers driver appreciably more driving pressure. In addition, ABS permits longer gears ratio, achieving a considerable reduction in fuel consumption. In our view, the eventual goal of being able to completely shut down individual cylinder during operation can be achieved with continually refining the ABS. Audi ABS show that even with stricter CAFE standard and consumer requirements for new technology, continued refinement and sophisticated engineering can help the operation internal combustion engine stay relevant in the year to come.